Well, I keep everything pretty much ship shape here in the garage, but when things fail, they fail. First off, that yellow DeWalt 20-volt fan right there, the bearings are just shot to hell. So I ordered another one of those, found it on eBay. And as you may notice, where's the fridge? The fridge conversion been working for years. Well, it started oozing out, which looked like milk on the bottom tray, but I couldn't find any freaking milk inside. So I was like, what the heck? So I got on the computer, and they say it's a clogged defrost pan or something along those lines. So I moved it over here, and it's iced up. You can see it's still icy out here. It's a little bit icy on the inside there, but you can see that little junk right down there. I don't know if you can see that or not, right there. Yuck. So I was going to give this thing a good servicing, clean it out, and hopefully I can get it to work. But this is my favorite. I mean, this is really awesome because I've got the digital thermostat on there. Works good. And lastly, Master Blaster over here. I'm having all kinds of problems with lithium battery charger noise. When I plug it in, I get an audible hum. This is the only box that I've ever made that does that. All these, you plug the charger in, it's dead silent. No baseline buzz. But this one, and I've tried everything. I've changed out these DC sidewall jacks. I thought that was the issue. Changed out audio cables. Thought that was the issue. Nope. Nothing. Even put in a New Planet audio equalizer. Nothing's working. What I think is happening is there is so much magnetic interference, I guess is what you call it, with this type of magnet, and it got all these electronics in here. There's just so much mumble jumble going on in there. But yeah, it's as soon as I swapped out that amplifier to a higher power one over here, this NVX, I started picking up a lot of noise. So there you have it. I don't know if I'm going to salvage this one or not, or whatever, make it a parts thing. I can just rip parts out of it, but I put a lot of work to get this thing kind of up to speed. Put new tweeter in it, new volume controller, amplifier, equalizer, trying to pull more sound out of speakers in a can. But sometimes it just doesn't work out that way. It's nothing compared to Phantom over here. Oh my god. Killer. So there you have it, kind of thawing out here. It's supposed to get 70s. Been hanging out in that steam tent. That works great. Absolutely freaking great. 2 pot steamers in there. It'll cook you like a lobster. So hope you have a good weekend and stay warm.